All right, hello everyone and happy Tuesday. Welcome back to another college vlog. We are starting it ready to go, so I'm in the best mood. I'm about to head out to meet Elizabeth for lunch. I think I'm gonna meet her at the library and I'm just gonna eat lunch, and then she has like meetings and exams and work to do, but then we'll go and do work at Kofenia a little later. But I have a lot of declining balance on like my Miami student card that I have to use basically before I graduate. So I am trying to do that within the next 2 months. So we're gonna go have lunch together, but I have already had such a great day. It's around 1:30 this morning. From 9:30 to 11, I had my business coach, which we will talk about a little later because it was such a great session. I always look forward to it. And then right after that, I had like an hour-and-a-half meeting with my advisor for one of my programs. So we just got that out of the way. And then I changed into something a little bit more sporty because it's so warm here in Oxford. It's like almost 60 degrees. So I shared this outfit over on Instagram. You might have already seen it when we're living in present day, but I just have this black Lululemon top, this black little zip up, which is like kind of a windbreaker, black leggings, and then these new shoes, which are from Nike. They're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. And then I'm taking my Go Yard because I take her everywhere we go, keeping my hair out of my face with my sunglasses. So yeah, you can kind of see what the jacket looks like a little bit better. It's just like a nice light spring sporty jacket. I think it's still available because my mom just got it for Elizabeth and I she put in like a Valentine's Day package that she sent us, which was so cute. And then these sunglasses I got in Palm Beach. They're from Crewe, K-R-E-W-E. I think that's how you say it. And then she obviously always matches the vibe, very stable in our lives. So we are gonna go to King, which is the library, for some lunch with Ebeth. I think I'm gonna get like a wrap or something, and then come back here, grab my stuff, go to Kofenia and work from there. And then I have my capstone tonight from 6 to 8. So lots of Zoom meetings usually on Tuesdays, but I like to kind of put them all on the same day. That way this can be more of like, I'm sorry, I'm being crazy putting everything back. That way this can be a little bit more of like a computer heavy work day rather than content creation, but we're still gonna be vlogging, so I guess that counts as well. But I'm gonna head out and we will see Ebeth at lunch. Okay, having lunch with Ebeth. We're at the library. Hello, we just got these cute little sandwiches. You're a cute little sandwich. I know. Okay, friends, so I just went to the UPS store, our favorite little errand, and I picked up 2 packages, one of which is from Valentine. Like, I'm going to throw up. So they reached out to me. We like circled back to their brand when we were in Palm Beach. We went to a beautiful Valentine store on Worth Avenue. I've been carrying that little red velvet purse that I was sharing when I wore it over Valentine's Day weekend, whatever. And then like before I posted about it, they reached out to me, which like there has to be something that means something, right? I'm so excited. Like, what a time to be alive. So I'm gonna go take that back up to my apartment and then we're gonna go do work. I promise we're gonna go do work, but I'm just like, the weather's nice, good vibes, but we're gonna go back to the apartment. So I just ran to Kroger because we needed a big stock up. So I'm gonna take you guys through really quickly what I got. If you guys care, if you don't, just skip ahead. But sometimes I get questions about what we like to get on a weekly basis, and it often changes. This is in no particular order. I did get some things for Elizabeth, so I picked out some sourdough bread for her. I got some feta because I want to make some salads this week, and I thought that that would be really good on top. I got 2 things of Greek yogurt, 1 thing for us and then 1 for Elizabeth. I think we're gonna go out and about tonight, and since it's like 60 degrees, obviously I was like, oh, let's make Aperol spritzes because that is the vibe. So I got Aperol and then Prosecco, and then some club soda. I got olives because I thought I could put that on top of salads, kind of like a Greek salad vibe, and also I am addicted to olives and I love them. Then I got some Brussels sprouts, just trying to get some more veggies included in all of our meals. Radishes for salads as well. Baby cucumbers, these are good snacks. Romaine lettuce, this is good for like on top of sandwiches, dinner, stuff like that. I got a zucchini, thought this could go with like a big salad as well. Raspberries, blueberries, and then my strawberries are over here. This is for like my yogurt bowls in the morning. And then I got some pico de gallo, just like for, I don't know, chips and stuff. I thought that would be good. Grapes for some more snacks. I got this huge thing of like green juice. Thought it'd be fun to just add in the morning. Looked pretty good. I got some orange juice as well. And then I got some cold brew, just black, like plain black iced coffee, medium roast. This is my favorite brand, and usually Kroger is out of it, but they had it today, so I was very excited. I got a huge thing of kale, again, making a big salad. And then I got 3 things of salmon for some dinner. I think we're gonna make salmon either tonight or later this week. This is such an easy dinner. I got a ton of lunch meat. I got just Colby Jack, cheese, turkey, salami, and ham. So we should be good to go for some really good sandwiches. I got these sweet potato chips again, which I tried last time and they were so good. Then I got some granola for the breakfast, pistachios for a healthy snack, some string cheeses, because sometimes I just like crave that. Bananas, these are for Elizabeth, and then baby carrots are also for Ebeth. And then I got us another thing of roasted garlic hummus, and then this everything but the bagel spread dip, which is really good with this, and also cucumbers. So this was the haul. I probably have missed a few things, but this will just like be good for the week, for breakfasts, healthy lunches, and a few things for dinner. So I'm gonna put this all away and then I will go from there. Okay, hello everyone. So we have just been busy gals. I went to Kroger, which took forever. It honestly kind of like tired me out a little bit. But I got a ton of food, which I showed you, and then everything is put away. I kind of cleaned up the kitchen a bit. I got those 2 packages today from the UPS store, and I wanted to take this time to unbox them and share with you guys the exciting packages because I have to, there's stuff behind me, because I have my capstone from 6 to 8, and so I wanted to do that before the capstone. I also just like took some Advil because I have a really bad headache. I think it's the weather, just like the ups and the downs of that, so I'm not feeling super well. Okay, so the first package is from Olive & June, which is so exciting. I'm gonna get some scissors. Ooh. Okay, so I just opened it. Look how cute this is. Hopefully we are focusing because I want you guys to see. Okay, so it says, welcome to your best nail life. Oh, we love that. And they just sent over, oh, how precious. Okay, a bunch of new nail polish for this springtime. I'm gonna take a picture of this and then we'll keep unboxing it because I think there's more stuff underneath it, but this looks really nice. So let me just take a picture for Instagram. They sent all of those nail polishes, which like so beautiful for the springtime. It's actually, the packaging is beyond. And this really pretty like robin's egg blue, this pale pink. Oh, I love this green, another light blue. These are colors that I feel like I haven't seen. Look at the yellow. Like I would never try that otherwise except for this because it's such a pretty yellow. And then another pink. The packaging is amazing. And then inside it said, beautiful nails for everyone. Let's make your nail dreams come true. It all began in 2013. We opened our first salon in Beverly Hills. Now we're bringing all the Manny magic and every tip and trick we know to you. And then it goes on to talk about other stuff. And then there was more underneath the nail polish, and it came with this box, and I'm assuming that this is like a nail kit. My hair is crazy. The humidity, like now that it's a little warmer, my hair just like blows up, and one day I'll stop talking about it. Okay, so look how beautiful. So then we open her up, and I'm pretty sure this is like a nail kit. Yeah, and it gives you like the walkthrough of it. Nail polish remover pot. Cute. Oh my gosh, this is actually so cute. It came with a little dab kit as well. And inside of here, oh my gosh, wait, this is like really nice. It comes with accoutrements. Cuticle serum? Wait, I like love this. What is this? Something to put your nails in, like a buffer, a really nice buffer. Guys, this is like really nice. I actually, oh my gosh, look at these cute clippers. And it says Olive & June and then a little pink nail file. So cute. Okay, they really, the packaging and aesthetic and the presentation is 10 out of 10, recommend. Great for a little like Mother's Day gift. That is the first thing that came to mind for me. I will leave all the information down below for Olive & June. I might have a coupon code or I might just have a special link, so I will make sure to confirm that, and all of the correct information will be down below. But I'm so excited that they sent this to me, and I'm really in the mood for spring now. So that was the first package, and then we're gonna open up France's Valentine, which like I'm actually dying about that. That's insane. Okay, we moved out to the living room because I was doing Insta stories and it's just more space. So this is the first item that they sent. Look at this adorable sweater. This is so cute, I can't even stand it. And then it has little tassels on the sleeves, which I think is amazing. It's embroidered and it's so just like detail oriented, which I'm vibing with completely. So this is the fringed sweater in oyster, fringe crew neck Daisy's wool sweater. I don't know. I'm gonna find details, put it down below. But like the quintessential spring sweater, and I'm excited even just with jeans, a little pair of loafers. Such an easy outfit and totally different. I don't own anything like this, but what I love about Frances Valentine is like you can easily spot like, oh, that's from Frances Valentine, because she does a lot of this embroidered, just hand woven type of thing. So excited about this. Obviously I will be sharing on Instagram how I style these outfits, so always be sure to check out that. Oh, this is so cute. This, I actually know where I picked this out. It's a little shrug. Look at that. It's a little shrug. Like, aren't you dying? People don't wear shrugs anymore. Where did they go? Just with like an easy white shirt underneath it for the spring. Amazing. And this blue color, I'm obsessed. And I love the white flowers. Yeah, this is the French blue embroidered flowered shrug. So this will be down below. This is darling. I literally can't get over that they sent this to me. Oh, that was it. Okay, it was just 2 items. Frances Valentine is definitely like a higher price point, but every single piece is so high quality and it's just made with the absolute care. And I'm just really vibing with the high quality, unique brands we've been working with recently. I feel like Sue Starter kind of falls into that. And I don't know, this is honestly such an honor and a dream come true that they even know who I am. So what a time. Okay, I have to go hop on my Zoom call at 6 for my capstone, and then my roommate's been sitting here the whole time. She's so kindly listening to me, but I think we're gonna go out after that. Maybe I'll wear my shrug. No, I'm kidding. I think I should. Yeah, so I think we're gonna go out, which is gonna be fun, and I have to like figure out what I'm wearing for that, but it'll probably be low-key. We're gonna go to Opa, which is our favorite little spot. I think I'm gonna like try and vlog tonight because I was getting some feedback on my other posts saying that like I never show the going out part. And it's usually just us sitting around talking. So you're not missing much, but we'll show outfits. We're gonna go meet some other friends there. It should be fun. It's honestly just a gorgeous day and we wanna get outside, and I haven't been at school for a little bit, so I think it'll be fun. Okay, I'm so happy we did this little catch up. I don't know if this was too bright or not, but I think you guys got the point. And I will see you after my class ends. So thank you for listening to me. Hello everyone. I think it's like super bright because my whatever, because I raised the brightness when I was cleaning, but I'm heading over to Elizabeth's dorm right now because we're gonna have lunch. She grabbed a salad for me from the business school, and then who is calling me? Hello? Yes. Oh shoot, I wish I could, but I have something in like the next 2 hours. So does 4:15 still work? Okay. Okay. Thank you for checking. Sounds good. Okay, sounds good. Bye. Okay, that was my hair appointment. She's so sweet. She was double checking. But what I was saying is I'm going over to Elizabeth's dorm right now because I'm actually here. We're gonna have lunch, and then I let her big in this morning to decorate her room. So we're gonna like look through everything. And yeah, it's gonna be really fun. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm going for a walk with my roommate at like 2:30, and then I'm gonna come back and shower, and then I have a hair appointment because I need to shoot some content tomorrow, so I just like need to get my hair done. And then we have a country concert that we're going to tonight, and I'm hosting a little pregame. So that's the rundown, but let's go see Ebeth together. Okay, hello everyone. So we're over at Elizabeth's dorm now because we're gonna have lunch together. She got me a salad. There she is. Welcome. And her big came and decorated her room since it's Big Little Week, and there it's so cute. So cute. Look at the balloons.
And
love
every day
it.
There's been a theme. Yes, the first day was pink, yesterday was blue.
Oh, I like that.
Today it's like Kyle red.
So like these are all of the passed down shirts.
They really took a long time to fold this.
I know.
We can eat
with
those.
such care.
Look at this.
Look, they hung this.
This might be my favorite. I'm gonna keep this up
I think
there,
you should.
honestly.
It's so cute.
And then they wrote little notes.
They wrote her little notes, which is adorable. What'd they say? Hi, Grand Little, I'm so excited to meet you. That's so cute. And then I hope you enjoy your decorations. And then they also gave her this canvas, which is super cute.
And the Starburst.
And, oh, they did?
Yeah.
I love how you arrange them. Yeah. Also, I don't know if I've shown you guys, maybe I have on the YouTubes. Melissa got this little table from Target when my mom was here for this like foyer. It is beyond. It's like actually the cutest thing. And then she also got this new seat that's like a rattan. It looks like Serena and Lily, and she just keeps that tucked under, but then she pulls it over for the desk to like literally have meals.
Did you draw this up?
Yeah, that is your new balloon that you broke.
Oh my god.
I know. So also we have the badminton rackets, which I know you guys have seen a million times before, but we actually restocked them on the website. So we have tons of new badminton rackets available on the Emily on Beau's website. So you guys can start shopping if you want to recreate.
They put that there.
They put that on elephant. They're so funny. That is really, really cute, you guys. And then, oh, she has this other cute canvas that she already hung up.
That was from yesterday.
Yeah. They said that they made...
Well, you know what? I can tell. This one looks newly painted.
Yeah, well, I think they made them last year.
Oh.
And then they like passed them on to you. So yeah, this is so exciting. Then she got me a salad from Farmer, which I have been craving. I haven't had a salad from Farmer since like last semester maybe. So I'm gonna eat that and we're gonna catch up together. And yeah, this is
celebrate me.
Celebrate you. How exciting. What a time to be alive.
Hi. Hey. Emily's driving me to class.
We just
because
had
we had lunch. So I'm going to the lab. And what other updates?
Really cute today.
Thanks. I'm a little sporty spice. And I got this new clip from, what's it called? Anthropology. I wanted to listen to this song.
Oh my god.
Okay. And I kind of have a packed day, even though I don't have a ton of homework. Just new member meetings and new stuff, you know.
Your stuff was so cute that you got.
It was so cute.
I'm obsessed.
I'm obsessed.
Oh,
and I'm having
sort of little thing going on in the field. This weather is just like making everyone
People
go
are
bananas.
B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Okay, you can actually turn to the right. Okay, I'm gonna go to class. Talk to you soon.